Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by placing the lookup in the sheet where you need results. Select the cell, then type equals Vlookup. Use the cell with the lookup value from sheet 1 as the first argument. Next, switch to sheet 2 and highlight the entire table range that includes the key column and the return column. Make sure the key column is the leftmost column of that range. Otherwise, reorder or use index/match. Finally, end the formula with a column index number and false for exact matches. Now you build the full formula step by step. Type equals Vlookup, then click the lookup cell in sheet 1 so the formula references that cell. Add a comma, then type sheet 2, and select the range on sheet 2 or use import range for external files. After another comma, enter the column index that points to the value you want returned, counting from the left of your selected range. Close with false for exact matches. Once done, press Enter and drag the fill handle to copy down. Complete the workflow by wrapping Vlookup in ifr to avoid ugly errors. Ifr Vlookup not found. If you get hash and /a, first verify the lookup values match exactly, trim spaces and ensure numbers aren't stored as text. Also make sure your range covers all rows and uses absolute references when copying. If the key column isn't leftmost, or you want a more robust alternative, switch to index and match. One troubleshooting tip: run trim and value on problem cells to normalize them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.